So no more crab claw hands with your flamenco braceo. We are going to work on that in this video today in the palo of Soleá. Let's start it. So one way to really work on your hands and making them kind of move elegantly with your braceo is taking the time to warm them up and to develop a habit of being able to separate the fingers and especially use the wrist. So let's review, before we start our Soleá, let's review our hands. So the hands are, the movement is coming from the wrist. So you want to be able to rotate both directions freely and make sure that your wrists are, or actually your forearms are still. And just close your fingers, make little fists just to warm up, and other direction. And now let's stretch out the palms. Stretch out the palms and switch and switch. And let's practice our hands, our little fingers, I mean. So we want to go in with the pinky, bend at the wrist, around and open and switch. Come in with the pinky, bend at the wrist, come around and open. Now, with our arms, remember that we want to keep the arms rounded, keep a strong base with your feet, one foot in front of the other, hips slightly tucked under, the belly button in, chest down, shoulders down, chest open, and we want to keep those arms rounded so the elbows are out. So when your arms are out, the elbows are towards the back, and when your arms are up here, they're sitting on top of your shoulder blades and your shoulders are down. And again, you want to make sure that your hips are tucked under so you're protecting that lower back, abs engaged. And the movements that we're going to work on here in this piece of music are going up and down and opening up the arms in both areas, and we'll go in different directions with that. But we want to think about bending at the wrist and starting the movement with the fingers coming in. So that will kind of change everything. If you think of the wrist, but also the fingers, moving the fingers in first. So bringing in the pinky in first, and then have the other fingers follow. All right, let's start it. Okay, one foot in front of the other, hips tucked under, belly button in, chest open, shoulder down, get ready, breathe, grounded, grounded, grounded. And now let's start with the hands. 8, 9, 10, and in, and out. To really control, arms out, in, and the pinkies, and arms up. And out. And in. And out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms down. 3, 4, 5, out. 7, 8, 9, 10. And in. And out. Let's repeat that. And in. And out. And in. And out. And now let's go in. And in. And in. And push down. Again. And in. And push down. And now let's go the other way, and out, 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 and down. Now let's slow that down. 7, 8, 9, 10, and push down and up and down. Hold down here with the hands. 7, 8, 9, down. Now arms up, open, up, and open, and up, and ba, and up. So open with the hands, and in, and open, and in, and open. Down, and up to the center. Ole. Well, that was a lovely practice. If you want to continue your studies with me, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. It's a thriving membership with dancers worldwide with me. I have courses for new beginners through advanced levels in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. You can find more information down below in the description with a link for a free 10-day trial.